Welcome everybody to my very first YouTube channel segment. My name is C.K. Smith. I am an independent self-published author of 9 horror and thriller books. Some of the most successful ones on Amazon. I've been #1 Amazon's bestseller in a few categories for a few brand new launches. I make close to 6 figures a month, and I'm an award-winning author. I thought I would talk to you guys about what I'm going to be doing here on the YouTube channel. As an author, there's a lot of struggles that authors go through every single day when they are publishing, especially if you're self-published. You do everything yourself, from sometimes from editing to marketing to, cover design. I am lucky that I actually have a cover designer I work with, and she's unbelievably amazing, has created a lot of the covers of my books. I'm also an editor because I have a PhD in the English language, in English literature and linguistics. So with that being said, I'm thinking of using my YouTube channel to show you some behind the scenes of what it takes to be an indie author, from the publishing process, how to use KDP, Ingram Spark, Draft to Digital, some of the leading publishing services out there. Also, what to avoid, vanity publishers versus trad publishers, and how I write my stories. Do I edit and format at the same time? Do I do, this or that? So I think I'm going to address that on this channel. I'm also going to be debunking a lot of tells you see on here from other YouTube channels. So those YouTubers who say, I can tell when AI is used to write this book. So AI writing tells. I'm going to be debunking a lot of those. So if you are interested in kind of joining me and following my writing journey, seeing what is going to be published, what's coming up, behind the scenes, if I ever do any book signings, I'll take you guys with me, what I do to write, what tools I use. Definitely hang around and join me on this channel. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all that wonderful stuff. I'm still new to YouTube. I have no idea what I'm doing. Probably my videos are going to look like this because I don't know how to edit them, add anything to my videos. I have no idea. I'm still learning. So let me know what you guys think, and if you'd be interested in kind of watching segments. I'm probably going to release twice a week, and we'll go from there and see how it goes. Anyway, thanks for joining me. I'm C.K. Smith, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.